Hi everyone! Good evening or magandang gabi. Tonight on our Learn Tagalog video, let's just do a review of what I have posted from Learn Tagalog's Facebook wall from last week. So, let's start. And one of the Tagalog word I have posted from last week is saying green or unripe sa Tagalog, in Tagalog. And I have a green mango here. Green or unripe sa Tagalog ay, in Tagalog is hilaw. 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 And to say mango in Tagalog or sa Tagalog, mangga. 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 Next, one of the photo I have posted from last week is a chocolate or chocolate. Chocolate. But, unfortunately, the chocolate is all gone. Someone ate it all. So, I have something else here. And, what is this? Ano ito? Ano ito? What is this? Tea. Tea. Or, sa Tagalog ay tsaa. Tsaa. This is a box of tea. Ito ay box ng tsaa. Tea or tsaa. And I have something else here. Ta-da! A bread. Bread sa Tagalog ay, in Tagalog is tinapay. Tinapay. Ti-na-pay. Tinapay. Last two, how do you say, I'm used to it? Sanay ako. Sanay ako. Sa-nay ako. Sanay ako. Ako. Sanay ako. I'm used to it. Last one, how do you say temporarily or for the meantime? Pansamantala. Pansamantala. Pan-sa-man-ta-la. Pansamantala. That's it for our Learn Tagalog pronunciation review. Hanggang sa muli. Hanggang sa muli. Or until next time. Bye. Good night.